Hello and welcome to the Mossey River Inn in Winnipegosis. Today I want to take you on a quick tour of one of our rooms to show you what to expect when you stay with us. All king and double rooms include a microwave, refrigerator, nice chair, and for a nice comfortable night's sleep, all our beds have soft pillows, fresh linen and sheets, and include a nice workstation if you need to get some work done or want to do some reading. Also equipped with a large flat screen TV with cable, free Wi-Fi, a coffee maker, and a safe to store your valuables. All our bathrooms have clean showers and a bathtub and extra towels. All our guests have access to a licensed restaurant, VLTs and lounge, laundry service and vendor. So whether you're in Winnipegosis on business, visiting family, or simply looking for a restful night's sleep, come join us at the Mossey River Inn, where we enjoy bringing people in.